Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I just had the most amazing conversation with my friend who's been doing it every night before bed. And I'm convinced it's a total game changer for waking up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Apparently, the gelatin trick is all about preparing your body for a restful night's sleep. And it's incredibly simple. Just mix some gelatin with warm water and drink it down about an hour before bedtime. My friend swears that since she started doing the gelatin trick, she's been sleeping more soundly and noticing a huge difference in her energy levels the next day, like she's dropped that heavy, sluggish feeling that used to weigh her down. As she was telling me about her experience with the gelatin trick, I realized that it's not just about getting a good night's sleep, it's about setting yourself up for a healthier, happier day. By doing the gelatin trick every night, you're giving your body the tools it needs to recover from the day's stress and activity, and that can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description for more information, and take a look at the pinned comment below for some helpful tips to get you started. Head to the link now and start experiencing the benefits of the gelatin trick for yourself. And don't forget to share your own experiences with the gelatin trick in the comments below.